Hey, I hope you're having a great day. So today I wanted to show you my seed starting setup for my vegetable gardens. Last year I had my garden tower and I added 2 raised beds that were each 3 foot by 10 foot. This year I'm going to add 2 more of those raised beds and I'm going to cover them so that they have some protection from the hail. Now I'm in the Black Hills in zone 5A. It's currently snowing out right now. It's mid-March and we can expect snow, or at least be aware that it could snow even into late May. So starting seeds indoors is a good idea. You get a little bit of a head start and you're not relying on the greenhouses for only what they grow. You can buy seeds and grow exactly what you want. So I invested a little bit of money into my seed starting setup indoors this year, but subsequent years I should only need to buy the seeds. So I got this indoor mini greenhouse. So this greenhouse has a front door on it. It zips up and then you roll up the panel and tie it up. That keeps the kitties out of there. Not most, but a lot of plants are toxic to kitties and other household pets. So you want to keep them out of there. This just ties up and then you have access to it. So top to bottom in my tower, you see I have 4 shelves that are metal. Hi, kitty. The bottom shelf I keep watering jug, sprayer, mister, some zip ties, and just varying planting supplies down there. The next row up I haven't started yet. I will put another light down there, but I have just excess seed trays waiting. And then I have 2 active shelves right now that have heat mats under the seed trays, which are currently unplugged because I only have onion seeds planted and they've germinated and they don't like to be too warm. So I'm going to be rearranging things once I plant more. Top light I have zip tied up into the canopy of the tower because I don't want the plants that are growing up to get sunburnt from those bulbs, so it's up a little higher. My lights are both on timers. They come on at 6:30 in the morning and go off at 8:30 at night. I have Alexa do that. They have 14 hours of light every day, and the seed mats are currently turned off until I plant some more seeds to germinate. So I want to show you my seed organization that I started this year. I got these online and they're basically photo storage boxes. Each one of these holds 16 containers that holds your seeds that you've sorted. And what I've done is just taken a Sharpie and written on the edge of each container and then sorted my seeds accordingly. For instance, this is all of my beet seeds. Peas, beans, squashes, cantaloupes, melons, celery, carrot, lettuce, everything is in here, and I've got 2 of these. This allows me to see exactly what I have, keep on top of what I want to get, and if I'm running out. And it's nice and neat, and then I don't have seeds floating all over the place. As far as planting goes and when you should plant, like I said in the Black Hills here, I'm in zone 5A. I used to get an email from Farmer's Almanac by putting my zone in that would remind me when it was time to plant seeds indoors or out, or put plants outside, but they quit doing that. So I went through all those emails and put the dates for each thing into my Google Calendar so that it reminds me. Now if I need to alter that based on my own experience in my gardening here in my backyard garden, I can change it in my calendar, but this way I don't have to find that information every single year. It just comes up yearly on it because I put it on repeat. If you have any questions about seed starting or organizing your seeds, put them in the comments below. I'll try to answer, or we can talk about it in the community. Please click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload more videos about gardening in the Black Hills and Black Hills living in general. Also, if you want to see the video on my garden tower, click on the video link here and check out my other videos too.